Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can get free Robux from Sweatcoin. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Sweatcoin application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will be redirected to your dashboard automatically. Here you will be able to see all of your assets at the top right corner. What you need to do is simply just tap on the balance at the top right corner, or you can select the wallet icon present in the icon tray at the bottom. And after accessing the balance section of your account, tap on go to shop button. As you know, there is no direct option where you can get Robux for free. Instead, you can get paid from the Sweatcoin application and then buy Robux, which is technically result in free purchase. There you can also buy anything and sell it to the other people to get payment, and that's how you can get free Robux from Sweatcoin. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.